This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Chock the front wheels. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the rear wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the rear sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the rear sill flange. Fully unscrew the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel retaining nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to 85 Newton meters. Remove the wheel chocks.